All right, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm back at it again with another exciting matchup for you guys here tonight, and I'm pretty excited about this one because this is my very first upgraded turbos BMW M3 on the channel. He has pure stage 2 turbos with port injection and a full exhaust system running on E85. Now, the owner said this car made 680 wheel, and he's running on a tire, and he is running on Micke Thompson ET Street R tires, and they are 325 35 18s. Now, the owner did get this car weighed just recently. It just weighed just a little over 3,600 pounds. So not that heavy. So he's gonna be running up against a 2019 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. Now this is a 10-speed automatic equipped car, and this is a twin turbo one. So let me just go under the hood and show you what's done to this. This is a top mount Hellion twin turbo kit with 55mm turbos. It's got some weight reduction. He's weighing somewhere around 3,400 pounds according to the scale he was on. He is running on E85, and he's running about 10 pounds of boost. Now, as for tires, he's running on 275 wide Micke Thompson ET Street R tires. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm here in the M3. It's my first time in my first video with the upgraded turbo M3, so I'm pretty excited. So the first race we're gonna do is from 60 miles an hour. Ready? Guys, on to round 2. We are going to do a 40 roll, so this should give us the advantage a bit. So I'm pretty excited to see this one. So as soon as we get around this bend. All right, guys, round 2 from a 40. Line up to him though. Just let me know when you're ready, I'll count it.